Hi engineers, I am Isaac Lee. This is part 2 of Design Connection. You can find our first video in the link above and also in the description box. Without further ado, we will present to you our elongation calculation module. The profile that was processed in the previous module can be exported to the elongation and pre-stress losses module in just one click. Users are not required to re-enter the tendon profile and length again, and are just required to enter the pre-stressing parameters according to their design. Our calculator has the option of taking into consideration the bonded length contribution for tendons with one end stressing when calculating for elongation. Users are advised to countercheck the imported data and select stressing type. Other methods of profile input includes: first is user input, where users can manually key in the tendon profile based on a coordinates input method. Second is paste option, where users can import data from Microsoft Excel coordinates X and Y, then pasting it into the module. Third is import from profiler, where users can import a tendon profile that has already been generated using the profile generator program previously. Select calculate and the result will be generated. Users can view the elongation result with tolerance in a summarized version. Or users can choose to view the detailed elongation result. The result includes the coordinates, angular change, forces after friction loss, and elongation for every interval. The elongation result is generated by cumulating every interval's elongation depending on the remaining pre-stressed force in the intervals. The elongation result provided is before lock-off. In other words, the recording of strand elongation is done while the stressing jack is still gripping onto the strand. Actual stressing works will be shown in our next video. Another feature of this module is that it is able to generate pre-stress losses results in a detailed form, where the transfer coefficients and service coefficients are displayed in average and per intervals, along with a force against distance graph. There is an available option where the results can be printed to PDF for easy compilation and submission. Our program can be saved and stored as a working file into designated project folder for documentation purposes. Users can retrieve it should amendments be required in the future. Currently, the software is up for subscription now. For any inquiries, please drop us an email to the address stated below. Please like, subscribe, comment and share for our next video. For more information, do visit us at www.ptid.com.my. Bye. Thank you.